if you have installed Office 2024 and if it does not work, or if you face some problem of activation, you can get Office 2021 for free, and it's legal. You can install it in your computer and use it. Now, to see if your Office is activated, you can click on File, come down to Accounts, and look at this sections here. You should be able to see whether your product is activated or not. If it's not activated, this is the video that you will follow, the guide that you will follow to activate your Office. Now, firstly, if you do not have Office 2021, I would suggest you to go and uninstall any other Office versions that is in your computer. You go and uninstall it first. You go to Control Panel, click on Uninstall Programs. You should see the list of programs that are listed here. Out of this list, look for Microsoft Office, and then you right click on it and select Uninstall. After uninstalling it, go back to your computer, make sure your computer is connected to the internet, and then install Office 2021. If you need guides on how to connect your computer to the internet, you can see the link that I provided above to connect your PC to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you can now install MS Office 2021 and activate it. Now, to install MS Office 2021, you can go to the browser. Go to the browser and type Office Customization Tool 2021. We will now look at how to get the right Office and do the right installation, the right way, the legal way. In here, the first option, Office Customization Tool, this is the search result. The first search results that you see is the one that you're going to open. And from here, let's wait for it until it completely opens. You will be taken straight to the Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center, and from here select your OS type. If you have 32 bits, you select 32 bit. If you have 64 bits as your operating system, you can use 64. Now, if you are not sure of your operating system, you go to your computer, open any folder, and then right click on this PC and tap on Properties. Here, I think it's opening now. Alright, in the settings window, you will see operating system listed at the bottom. That's where you will find out your operating system. Mine is 64-bit. Okay, so I will have my selection here as 64. Alright, so 64-bit is my selection here. Scroll down, look for Office Suite, select it, and find Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Okay, that's the one that you're going to choose. Don't worry about Visio project. You go down to additional products and click on it, select language spec, and then move down, select the update channel. Once you select language spec, you will have Office LTC or LTSC 2021 Perpetual Enterprise. Leave it as it is. Select the version, leave the version as it is, and then you move down to the apps. You switch off Access, switch off OneDrive Desktop, Outlook, switch it off, Skype for Business, switch it off, OneNote, switch it off. Most times you will need PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Publisher. But if you need Access and other MS Office or MS apps, you can switch them on. Okay, for my case, I only need PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Publisher, so I leave these ones switched on. And then click on Next. Select your language, primary language. This one I will choose United States English, and then you move down. Don't worry about others. Move down, select Next. Leave this one as it is. Next. Go down, leave this ones as they are. This uninstall any MSI versions of Office, including Visio and projects. Okay, this one just switch this off. Okay, it's not really necessary, so switch it off. Go to Next. Make sure this KMS option is checked. You have Office LTSC Professional Plus Volume License KMS and MAK. That MAK, don't choose MAK because you won't have any product key here. Just use KMS because the product key that you have here is the one that you are going to use in activating your MS Office. So select this KMS, and then move down, select next. Others, don't worry about it. Select next, and you can now select finish. After you select finish, you come to export it, click export and select Office Open XML format. Click on this and then click yes. Okay. From here, click I accept the terms in the license agreement. Leave the file name as it is, and then you click on export. You will see something downloaded here. Okay, it's right here. It says you want to keep or delete, just say keep. Okay, your file is ready. Now you can open it. It will be found in the download folder, so you right click on it and you can cut that. Alright, you cut it off, go to your desktop, create a new folder and rename it as Office 2021. Office 2021. Okay, open it and you paste your file there. You will see configuration.xml. Leave it like that, and then you go back to your browser. Now this time find Office Deployment Tool. Office Deployment Tool. Alright, Office Deployment Tool. Here is the one. Okay, Office Deployment Tool, download deployment tool. Click on that. Alright, when you are taken to this download center, you can now click on download. Okay, it should download. You will see from this side. Now open this file location. You can cut it and then go to the folder that we created earlier in your desktop. Click on that, open it, and you paste it there. Alright, you paste it there. Now you right click on it and then run as administrator. Click here and click on continue, and then look for desktop because we have created this folder in the desktop. Here I have Office 2021 that I just created, so we'll select this one and click on OK. Files extracted successfully. Click on OK. Now refresh. Alright, go back to your Office. Alright, in the folder, these are the files that you're going to see, files that you have extracted. Alright, you won't need all of them. You will need only two, this one and the one that is at the top, but others you can leave them as it is. You go back to the file and you cut that file folder, go to your C drive, and paste it there, paste it somewhere there. Alright, here I have it. Now you can double click on it and you open the folder and just click at the top. You see this address bar, click at the top here and right click again and you copy the address, and then you can minimize this. Go to search bar at your start and then type in CMD, right click and run as administrator. Click yes. In here type in CD space and then you paste the address of your MS Office 2021 and then tap on enter. From here write down setup, SETUP space / and then type configure and then space and write configuration.xml, and then you tap enter. You should see your Microsoft Office ready to install. It will take time to download and install.
If you see an error, you need to go back to your control panel and uninstall all the Microsoft Office that is installed in your system. But if you continue to see that the Microsoft Office is downloading and installing, you wait until the installation is complete, and then we will look at how to activate your Office. So keep watching. We will continue to look at the activation process here.
Alright, when your installation is successful, you open MS Word. Go to start and open MS Word, or you can open Excel. I'll just open MS Word. And then go down to account. You see that account, click on that, and you should be able to see your activation notice here. From here, if you need to activate your Office, this is what you're going to do. Come to start or search bar, search at your start and type in CMD. You see this command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes, and then type in CD space, go back to your C drive, open any folder, click on this PC, open C drive and open program files and look for Microsoft Office, not Microsoft Office 15. Look for Microsoft Office. If it's not found in your program files, then you go to program files times 86 and you look for it there. Okay, alright, this one is found in both, so I'm going to use any of them. In this case I'll use program files, Office, Microsoft Office, and then open Office 16 and click on the address bar at the top, right click and you copy. Alright, after you copy, go back to command prompt window, you press Ctrl and V at the same time. That's where you're going to paste it, and you tap on enter. After tapping on enter, go to your browser, and type get Office 2021 for free without product key. Search for that. You will see MS Guides here, get Office 21 for free without a product key. Click on that. Once it is open, mine is already open here. Okay, right here you will see this display in the window. Okay, this is the kind of display that you're going to see. You come down to the contents here, click on method 1, running command CMD commands manually. Click on that. It should take you to this place here. You come down to step 1.3 where it says install Office 21 volume license. That's when you're going to install the volume license. You copy this,
Go back to command prompt window,
then you paste it there, Ctrl V, paste it there, and you tap on enter. Okay, you'll see something like this. Office license installed successfully. Now you have already installed your license. On the next line, you go back to your browser where you have your Windows opened. Copy this one and you paste again in the command prompt window. It will run. After it completes, come back and copy the next one, this one. Copy it, go back and paste it, and you run it again. You copy all this until you finish off activation. The last part is for activation here. cscript ospp.vbs/act.
If you found this video helpful, click on the like button, leave a comment and share this video to your friends to help them. Do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload new videos in the future, you should be the first to know.